In the healthcare industry, where patient care is paramount, having the right professionals on board is essential. Engaged Headhunters is the executive search firm that specializes in connecting healthcare companies with top talent in both physical therapy and nursing. They understand the unique challenges and requirements of the healthcare sector and are adept at finding professionals who excel in their fields. Engaged Headhunters recognizes that physical therapists and nurses are integral to patient care and rehabilitation, and finding the right fit is crucial for your company's growth and success. They take the time to understand your company's specific needs and culture, ensuring that the professionals they connect you with will be a perfect match. Engaged Headhunters has an extensive network and deep industry knowledge, which enables them to identify and attract the best talent in physical therapy and nursing. They manage the entire recruitment process, from sourcing and interviewing to negotiating offers, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing exceptional healthcare services. What sets Engaged Headhunters apart is their commitment to communication and follow-up, ensuring a smooth and efficient hiring process. They have received accolades from satisfied clients who appreciate their dedication to excellence. One healthcare company owner lauded Engaged Headhunters for their ability to find professionals who were not only highly skilled, but also a great cultural fit for the company. Another client highlighted their professionalism and efficiency, stating that Engaged Headhunters significantly reduced the time and effort required to fill critical positions. If you're a healthcare company owner seeking exceptional physical therapists and nurses, Engaged Headhunters is the partner you need. Their expertise and commitment to excellence ensure that your company will be staffed with the best professionals in the industry. Don't hesitate. Reach out to Engaged Headhunters today and take the first step toward building a stronger healthcare team.